Colonel Sanders appeared to be headed in the wrong direction as he tried to sell his chicken recipe to over 1,000 places and nobody wanted it. Everything changed the day he found a buyer for his recipe. As you well know, his Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurant became much more than he ever imagined. What a great reminder that no matter what you're facing right now, your life can change for the better as long as you keep moving forward. Thomas Edison stated, "Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time." The Apostle Paul said it this way, "Let us not be weary in well-doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not." Today I encourage you to keep moving toward your goals. I'm Mac Hammond.